The overall goal of this experiment is to evaluate the odor tracking capability of an insect used as a controller of a mobile robot.
This method can address key challenges in the biomimetics field, such as how to utilize insects in biomimetic mobile robot navigation.
The main advantage of this technique is that we can directly use an insect as a controller of a mobile robot and evaluate its ability to find an odor source.
The implications of this technique extend toward understanding of the biological mechanisms behind adaptive behaviors because investigators can alter the sensory-motor relationship of an onboard insect by robotic manipulation.
To begin the experiment, first select an adult silk moth aged between 2 and 8 days. Gently remove all the scales on the mesonotum using a piece of wet tissue or cotton swab to expose the cuticle. Paste an adhesive onto the strip of plastic at the end of the attachment. Then paste some adhesive onto the surface of the exposed mesonotum, taking care not to touch the wing hinge or forewing tegulae. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes until the adhesive is no longer sticky. Bond the mesonotum of the moth to the attachment. Keep the moth tethered by anchoring the attachment to a stand. Place a piece of paper under the moth's legs to allow it to rest. Wash the surface of a white expanded polystyrene ball with water to remove any possible olfactory or visual cues. Then turn